Hello guys, I am back today with another unboxing. I have two packages this time. Both of them are Love Yourself tour packages. The first one they did back in 2018. So let's just get into it. I'm really excited about this big one. So, in case anyone doesn't know, my biases are Jimin and Jungkook. But back in 2018, it was just Jimin, so I didn't buy anything for Cookie, which I regret heavily since everything's way more expensive now. But I managed to find a seller. Oh, how cute! This is Cookie's official Pickett from the tour. How sweet is this? Okay, let's see. Cute washi tape, which I will save for later. And this is such a cute thing. Okay, and this is the seller I got this Pickett from on Depop. Again, I buy most of my stuff off of Depop. So, I'll definitely use this in my journals. This is so pretty. Okay, let me put this off to the side. And then some more photo cards. So, let me try to open this without hurting myself. And still being in frame. Okay. Put that off to the side. And she definitely packaged this well. So let's start with the freebies. Just a couple of cute photos that I'll, again, use for journaling. I'll put those off to the side with this. More tour photo cards. I'm so close to completing my collection. I'm just missing, well, not really, because there's a ton of these, but this washi tape's so pretty. Cookie. Oop. Cute. And this is the seller's Instagram. I'm not sure if you can read it because I kind of can't read it, but let's see. I usually try to buy these in bulk because the price ends up being better that way with shipping and everything. Ooh. Gorgeous. So I'm going to go grab my binder and then we will sleeve these. Okay, so I have my binder out and we'll start with Jin first. So, hold up a second. Did I buy a duplicate? Oh crap, I think I did. Oh my gosh, I have to check into that. So we'll put this one off to the side. I might be selling that one. And then 3 of 8. Goes right here. Alright, and then next we have June. And this card is 8 of 8. I really don't have that many for him. So, steadily just completing this collection. And then Jimin. This is 6 of 8. or second. And then this cookie card, which is 3 of 8. I'm so sorry about this angle. Well, alrighty. I have no idea how I ended up with a duplicate because I'm pretty sure I double checked, but I will check with the seller about this. But thank you for watching, and I will have more videos as I buy more things. Bye-bye.